What a go on the people, honestly. I hope everybody is alright. Welcome to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Don't know, me always I say thank you very much for each and every one of me subscribers and my viewers. Me love you see them way. Love my viewers them, love my subscribers them. Bad because without each and every one of you, whether if you want to write bad things, say bad things, love on the same way. However, right at this moment, I want you to just take the time out, I say, and say something. Colaz Smith, boy, you know, I really don't know where to say much about Colaz Smith where some people say, oh, Colaz Smith this, Colaz Smith that. But every time me look and see something where a person do or say about Colaz Smith always flip the switch. Yeah man, Colaz Smith always a flip the switch for everybody. Now, me don't know if you know really understand or I think some people are say we are take Colaz Smith for God. No man. No get it wrong man. No get it twisted at all. Nobody now take Colaz Smith for God. All people are do is just talk about the good thing what the man do. I tell you the truth. To all of my viewers and subscribers. Let me tell you something. Any day, name day, Colaz. Yeah man, Colaz Smith. From Colaz Smith TV do something bad. Remember me tell you. Me, every one of we, all who not talk about Colaz Smith right now, I got dep on it. Make him ever do nothing bad. Yeah man, make him ever do nothing bad and you see what happen. But when me believe in her, if him do something good, give him flowers, man. Give him rose, man. Give him respect. Yes, man. In the US, and in Canada, and in England, and in Africa too, me notice the big content creators them, the big YouTubers them, I bring people together. I bring people together, join together, team up together, work together, build a foundation, build a monstrous team, build themselves up. There's nobody in Jamaica do that away from one man. One man in Jamaica do that. One single man alone. Colaz Smith. Yeah man. Now, Colaz Smith go as far as him decide to have what them calling at the US meet and greet YouTubers. The man at December when? 15th. The man have a meet and greet where every content creator, YouTubers can go there, go meet the man and meet them one another and link up and build a vibes. You listen to me now. And yeah, you really know how important that is? Colaz Smith, big up yourself, brother. Me wish me did that Jamaica. Remember me tell us, me wish me did have another time could have come on Jamaica this year. Because you see, me never use all of my time them when me set to come on Jamaica. Me down there for me ears, brother. Not only for meet you, but for meet you, he, she, and the old lady. For meet everybody, anybody we down there.
Daddy.
Yeah, he, she, and the old lady go there. Me I tell her, you want to see. Because we go see it, you know, because in go video it. You go see how much content creators are going to do there. Young one, wannabe, people who afraid to start. Remember me tell you, lot of people. So we're gonna make.
I see. Can't sound right. But anyways, we out here without fear. We don't want to see where we made a community post and thing. So we have a subscriber, YouTuber, link up like meet and greet. You see me? Yeah, man, and more everybody for forward out. You see it? Yeah, more everybody for forward out. All our YouTuber them forward out. All our subscriber them forward out. You see it? Me a try for link up some of our YouTuber them. See if they can make it or not. But nonetheless, still I gonna make it go on, you see me? Yeah. So far you can check in, especially if you are a young YouTuber. Don't miss it. Alright? Don't miss it. Portland with the Portland. You don't know, right on the border of St. Mary and Portland. And we're gonna start like probably about 11:30. I'm going at 12 o'clock bells, you see me? Yeah, man. About 11:30, 12. You see it? Yeah. So, make sure someone check in. And then, the people who just want to forward, you can meet up. You can forward as well, you see me? Yeah, man, that's why it is a subscriber/YouTuber meet and greet. You see it? Yeah, man. I know someone wanna watch from day one. I wanna say Jano Star. You know what I say? But I love if I can get a chance to link up. If I even see the man them in person. You see me? That is it.
That is it.
I will try to get, as I say, most of the YouTuber them forward out. I see it. So that December 15th, it's a Sunday.
Yeah.
Isn't it? It's a Sunday. So make sure you forward out. And for all of the subscribers who want to check in, and is a fan of Colaz Smith TV and you want to the merch, we're gonna have them. You see me?
See that?
So make sure, guys, you check in and follow out.
Yeah, man, bring it.
Yeah.
Now, my viewers and subscribers, you hear that? December 15. Which part? Portland with the Portland, right on the border. Yeah, man, right on the border of St. Mary and Portland there. I think the address supposed to depend on the posters where them put out. But to be honest, Stoner, is a good look, is a good thing. This thing can be an annual thing. Yeah, because the one them have, what we know so them have in the US and Africa there, is an annual thing. Where them just meet and greet and eat food and have a nice time and take pictures and, you have the one they contact and, everybody will do it and make them own content right on spot. Hey, that's brilliant. Good idea. Now I tell them, me wish me did it for jumping at it. To do me 2 cents. Yeah, man. So, to all of the content creator them, we're down at Jamaica there. Or we're in a foreign with the any which party there, no matter where you're there. If you have the opportunity, yeah, man, can take a trip down at Jamaica. At the right time that too. Yeah, man, at the right time that the 15th, so that means you have, 10 more days before Christmas. So, you can drop in, spend your Christmas at Jamaica, have a nice time, and just feel the Jamaican vibes. Yeah, man, and meet and greet, because you don't know who you really are going to get to see down there, where you can make a connection with, make a link up. Who knows? You may say your favorite YouTuber. Remember, I them I put it on, but you'll find you may get YouTuber from Westmoreland, you may get YouTuber from St. Thomas, you may get, you don't know where you go get. So as him say, he might reach out to some YouTubers. That mean he maybe I reach out to some bigger YouTubers where in a Jamaica there for rock and come in. So all on have it though. Take this opportunity, yeah. Yeah, but me think it's a good look, it's a nice thing. Yeah man, so to all the viewers and subscribers, remember December 15, meet and greet. Again, Colaz Smith. No matter what you say about him still a try for do him thing, still a try for help people because the small YouTuber them, yeah man, so what him a do is him a try bring everybody together. We should tell you the truth. Me I tell you, I just saw the thing go. But when me think, this is my opinion, you know. Yeah? When me think I want marvelous idea and it a go bring forth a lot more good energy towards all YouTubers. Can't remember now. YouTuber. Yes man, so you don't know that day, so it's a Sunday, so the 15th. My viewers and subscribers, we don't know. It's a very good look for where Colaz Smith I do and where he must start. What me see out of it is progress, help for small YouTubers and more help for the big YouTubers them, more link up. Because the thing is, you know, once you start work together, all go happen is more people go look out and more people go feel good and more people go feel nice to watch on the content. Because if you have a link up, you know, where a portion of Jamaican YouTubers and subscribers are link up, man, that's gonna be nice. Cause remember me tell you, December 15, which part? In a Portland with the boatland? Yeah man, Colaz Smith. Go over there, go check out Colaz Smith. See what him a do, see what him a say, see about the posters and go check him out because it gonna be nice. It gonna be epic. Yeah man, go check it out. No say a word. So to all of my viewers and subscribers, remember peace and love from day one till now. 3,000 and more subscribers. Yeah man, you don't know, December 31st we want to reach 5,000. Come we reach 5,000. Make we build this trend for 2025 and we are got 2025 now got good enough. Now got normal we do me I got no say a word. Peace and love. Just make we watch and see what I go on. I'm out.